Okay, so now we'll type out the CSS and we'll style our project, our components. So first of all, we have to look at the classes, the class names which we have given. According to that only we'll style. So as I promised you, we will type the CSS. So we will like not copy paste CSS, we will type it from scratch. So first is this app inside which all of this is present. So this is the app div. So let us just first of all go ahead and style this app div only. So inside the app.css, we'll just style the app class. All right, so here first of all we'll do display flex so that it doesn't stretch, so it will be in order, and it will be little responsive, so it will be display flex. So if I just save it and just go back to the browser, so you can see there is a little bit like they came in order. Okay, they came in a little bit of order. So that's it. And next, let us see, we'll type out, we'll justify the content to center, like we want the content in the center. So next we'll do the flex direction. Right now it's coming in a row, like it's coming in one line. As you can see, it's coming in one line. So now, but we want it to be in column wise, so we'll be giving the flex direction, that is column. Let me just save and let me just take you to the browser. So right now it came in the like in the column fashion, so that's cool. Next we'll be giving the, like they are not in center right now, they are like stuck to the left, so we'll bring it in the center. So we'll use align items and center. So I hope this brings in the center. Yeah, looks like similar to our app. So next we'll be giving another style that will be, because they are little bit of, you can see they are like too close to each other, so we'll be giving a little bit of padding. So we'll be giving a little of so padding will be top and bottom, it will be 40 pixels, and for left and right it will be 24 pixels. So I hope this makes things little bit good. Yeah, like we see something. Okay, and next we'll be giving like the border at the top, so like beautiful border at the top. Border top would be 1 pixel solid, and the color would be pink. If I go here, it is really hard for us to see, so that will be 15 pixel. Now if I go, yeah, it's there. So next we'll be styling the search component. So it's like really close to this heading. First of all, let me just get rid of that. First of all, let's just type app, whatever the search name, so app search form, or it's just app search form. Okay, you can just copy this to be more precise, so that you don't do any typos, because even if one word is different, no, so your app will, like your CSS will not reflect that. Okay, so app search form, here we'll give a margin top of 17 pixels maybe. CSS is just hit and trial. You do things, if you like it, you good, and if you don't, you just change it. All right, so now they are a little bit separate. Okay, so now we'll give the styling to the input field, because it's not looking so beautiful right now. So app, and then we'll give the input, and for that I'll be giving a padding. The padding will be 6 pixel. 6 pixel is for top and bottom, and 16 or 15 maybe for left and right. So let us just go and see if this works. As of now, I don't think I noticed a change, but let us see. App input, yeah, because I gave just one underscore. See, I told you, only one word can make a lot of difference. Still no change. App input, is it put? App input, yeah. So this would be app input, I guess. And if I save it, and why my PC is okay. Now I see a change here. So when I go back, now I'll go to app.css. There we'll make other changes. Now we'll give a minimum width of maybe 200 pixels, so that it's like on any device there will be a minimum width, and we'll give a max width of 100 view, like this. VW, I'll explain what it is. So view width, this is changed according to the width of the screen. Maximum width will change according to the width of the screen. Like right now my width is, like, I'm using laptop, and when I turn I open the application in mobile, so that width will be different, so it will be adjusted according to that. So as simple as that. So you'll see the reflected changes here. It does. I saved it. No, I did not save it. Now I saved it, and you can see there are some changes here. There's not some major change, but still we are in the building process right now. So next we'll give a font size of 17 pixels would be good enough, and we'll give a border radius to make the search box little curved, because square doesn't look so good. 10 pixel is better. Just go back and yeah, now you can see it's a little curved. Like the square doesn't look so good, so I made it a little like curved. So maybe we can make it more curved by giving 15 pixels. What do you say? 15 pixels would be good. Yeah, it looks even better now. Now we're going to the next component. That is the submit. This is the submit, right? So now we're going to style that. So for the submit, we'll be giving the class of, first of all, let me see what is the class name. Okay, this is app submit. It's better to copy rather than, like, prevention is better than cure. Okay, then we'll go to this class right here, and we'll style this. So styling is just we'll give a little bit of padding first of all, because it's like stuck to the another component. Padding will be top and bottom, it will be 6 pixels, same, and left and right it will be 16 pixels. I hope this looks good. Why I'm getting this? Yeah, now you can see there's a little bit of change in this component. All right, I come back, I'll give other styling properties, that is font size. Font size would be, maybe we can give 15 pixels, but it's better to give like similar to this because they look different. So say 17 would be good. 17 pixels would be good. So you can see now it's better. Now we'll give the, because it's little bit stuck in the, on the left it's little bit stuck, like it's getting too close. So we'll give a margin on left. So margin left, we'll give it 6 pixels would be good, I guess, and we save it. and you can see there's a gap between, so like looks good. Next we'll be giving what now we'll be coloring it. So for that we'll be giving background color would be, I personally like green, because you can provide any color here, so like it will be green. If I just save it, just go back, you can see the button has become green. It's clickable too, and that's it. Yeah, we can also give a little bit of border to it, and the border color also will be like defined. So first of all I'll give the border, and it will be, we can give it out 2 pixels. No issues with that. 2 pixels, and it's a solid border, not like the cutting ones and the different like curling ones. And then the border color will be green only, so I don't think that will make a much of difference, but it's all right. Next we'll be having a border radius. Of course we want to make it curve, so border radius would be 15 pixels, same as we have given before. So yeah, you can see this, the button is now curved. I don't know why it's not clickable, but we'll make it clickable. So that's it. Next we'll be providing the color to the text which is inside. So the black is not looking so good, so we'll provide white color would be good. And now let us see how this goes. Now it looks a little bit good. Yeah, looks good. And it's not showing clickable because we have given the border color also is green, and the color of the component is also green, so that's why we can't like see it. And one more thing, this pointer is not changing to like the clickable thing like the cursor, so that we can change by giving the property that is pointer. Cursor would be pointer. Now when I come, you can see it has changed. All right, so we have done with the input component and with the button. So next we'll be styling this.